So guys, me there with Chasey.
When me send her go a foreign and when she come back from foreign, me stand up right at airport door because I'm so happy because me send.
Hey guys, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today I'm talking about a conversation that has been dominating social media. People are sharing their stories, personal stories about what it feels like to have an ungrateful child. And so a mother recently took to social media to vent and to hear her frustration regarding her daughter, Yannick, who she believes has forgotten her after she would have poured so much into ensuring that her daughter was able to have a very good life. Let me not speak for her, just take a listen to what she shared.
Disrespect. When me send her go a foreign and when she come back from foreign, me stand up right at airport door because I'm so happy because me send her go a foreign and me never go a foreign. Me stand up with my hand open wide and she pass me like she do. I know she no see me. I don't say nothing to her. Me ask her if her eyeglass work good and she say yes, it work good. Me leave it there so. Go back again, like when me would call her up on the phone, when she answer when she feel like when she answer, you hungry, gonna go look something for you hungry. Me no pay no mind, no consider myself, I can't me share talk to. Anyway, next disrespect when she a graduate. After me pay all of this money, me pay like she go on Maritime University. She did tell me, I know. I don't even know if I lie or true. She tell me student loan would have pay $350,000. Me would have to pay $150,000. If I lie or true, I don't know if I lie in Benatel. But I make certain say I present all of my money, all of my balance of money, all of the balance I'm supposed to balance up for the school fee. Right? At one point, that's what she tell me. So I don't know if I lie or true or no. So the rent, me no. Anybody can go for Maritime. Me no owe money, not even for a minute. No school, me no owe money. My money pays straight up front. Nobody can. She no short a book. She no short a pencil. Me make certain say everything up front. Anybody must look like fool or look like they don't have nothing for yam nor drink. Must me, not a kid. Because I believe the pitney must be well taken care of. That is my belief, and that is what I still believe all I go on. So it happened now that after all of that now. The next disrespect me I talk about is that when she graduate, everybody a march a pass, and when a fair time now she a pass close to me, I call to her. I know she not turn on her head. She neither see me nor hear me. It's like I'm not even there. Anyway, me still not pay no mind. Me go on and they run off fee. Maritime when she graduate, then Maritime employ her and she start lecture the mathematics. The engineering mathematics. Yannick, that's Miss Foster. Yes, the engineering mathematics. This seahorse, if you can look behind, me go show you where she come out of. She don't come out of no rich family. No matter how you see she go on, sit there, a board. It's board. It's board she come out of. Right here, so. Right here. She can't come back here, so because she claims that the place too low and cheap for her. But this is the foundation of her. Writing at the two-piece of board. The two-piece of board will surround me. Writing at the two-piece of board surround me. I could have lived in a big 2-floor 6. But because I want her to get the best education, me put that for last. Me put that, I don't even know when that will come or if it will come. So, but just to make certain that she's well educated, me put everything behind and put she up front. So it happened now that I realized she had no disrespect. She come here one long time she come here and I give her something. She back to me and like, I don't want it. And when you see me, no cook nothing give me. And when you see me, I don't want nothing from you. No give it to me, I don't want it. So I just stand up easy. Because I say, I don't want to get heated. I just really want to be calm as. Can me get heated and I'm pretty and I really don't want that. Me try my best all when she backs with my hand when I give her something. She said, when you see me, don't give me nothing because I don't want nothing from you. Me no want nothing for you. Don't give me nothing for yam and don't give me nothing for drink. I have never hurt. I have never disrespect. I done my best. People can walk in a Santa Cruz, lovely pint and ask. Don't even ask my friend. Ask me enemy and ask me enemy if you tell the truth. 100% straight protection. Yo, me no play. Not even man me no live with. Because me no want no man walk near my kid. So not even man me no live with. To make certain everything run straight and me no problem. Me no want no problem. Let me tell you something. If me see people disrespect other people picking it hurt me much less. Mine, I don't play like that. I don't play with kids. I make certain everything nice, straight. Me not play, me not ramp. Me serious bad when it come to girl picnic. Especially girls. I don't play. Yeah. And when she there at college, listen what me do now. Me make certain say, you know hungry never. And you know thirsty never. Me, Tracy, hungry. Me, Tracy, thirsty. Not her. She's not. She never, ever. If she hungry or thirsty and she want hungry, she have it and don't want to eat. How me do it now is that me make any amount of juice. When me go to town and 20, 30 bottle of drinks. When me reach down at Santa Cruz, they say, you know, me have to pay for see it. And a food me I carry go keep it for eat. Me have to pay for see it in a bus and put the bag pan to go up there. Me come and me get every day me a juice it now. Me put in a fridge and put in a fridge. Sometimes me don't even have nothing space in my fridge because everything have to go at town. People with me want a banana, me I go at town, want plant and any little thing, everything me put in a bag and carry go at town, go give her. Me make certain say she no hungry or thirsty and me give her money. Anytime she call me and tell me say she no have no money. Me say tell me truth how much money I have. One day specific, me say be honest and tell me how much money she have. And she said $10,000. And she call me and tell me say she no have no money. Me make certain say she have one card and money always the funny card. So if the money in your pocket done, you use the card. Never hungry, never thirsty. I did my best. There was nothing else left for me to do. I do everything and I think I did everything and I did everything right. I did it right. So it happened now that she start work. The Maritime University employ her and she start lecture the engineering mathematics. Now things get worse because paycheck big. And who is me? I've never collect a paycheck. Not to mention so big. A little paycheck. When I used to do at town and I get liquor work at town. A little bit of money upon my paper. Me don't know big money upon no paycheck. Me don't know that. Me have to walk in a bush like dog and
Well, I mean, where do I even begin? Like, you know, she talk up the things them, she said the things them. And I understand, well, I can't relate, but I can understand what that experience must feel like from her perspective, you know, feeling that she has done everything to give her child the best life and the child has forsaken her, the child has forgotten her, and she's not feeling the love, she's not feeling that bond, she's not feeling that sort of closeness. And it is definitely a common Jamaican tale that many parents and children can connect with. And so, you know, big up Shifia share our story. I'm very eager to find out what is her daughter's perspective, because you got hear out what the daughter do, you got hear what kind of profession, where she works, what she does. So imagine the daughter show up at Caribbean Maritime Institute and for say her mother hear her out in the public sphere like this. It can be a good feeling and it can make her feel like she wants to go call her mother and be any closer to her. And so, not to, you know, take away anything from what the mother would have shared, I do also understand that parents' perspective can be cloudy, very partly cloudy sometimes, because you ever have a mother yet and the mother tell you something, the mother will talk to you a particular way, but when she recounts the story, she say, all I did was just simply tell him to just take up the things them off of the table. But the reality is that the mother did tell her, say, dirty piece of drunk, take up the sit them. But when they recount events, they always see it in a very demure way, very mindful, very cutesy, very simple. And so if the daughter will come here, you know, and a back so your hand, me I feel believe that there has to be something more, because many mothers and many parents, especially in the Caribbean, feel that providing is where parenting starts and it stops. And sometimes that bond, that friendship, that closeness, that words of affirmation, those type of that different sort of love languages is what matters to the child. And so the mother could be focusing on all that she would have sacrificed to provide, but maybe forgetting some of the comments, some of the criticism, some of the other things that would have made the daughter want to keep a healthy distance. No, saying all of that, you know, me not say it right for the daughter not even say and give her mother like an isolate, because, you know, bad to bad, you know, have one close relationship with your parent, but just a little, you know, to ensure say your mother all right, and, you know, gear a little thing and, say, okay, then Mrs. say, you have groceries, I'm gonna pay for the groceries this month. A little something like that, you don't need to be around her to take care of those things. And a friend and social media user, he posted a video and declared that he is close with the mother, and he actually caught up with her at some point. Take a look.
So guys, me there with Chasey.
Well, go on, guys. So the video I post with the lady with name Chasey, where her daughter turn her back on her. She's not doing well. Me call her this morning and she said, Conroy, people are calling me like crazy. She said people are come look for her. And she break down in her tears. And some people in her yard me hear her fear and I said, calm down, Chasey, calm down. Right now, to be honest, we don't know, guys, me don't know if nothing do her. So I dem me dep on my way right now. I go look for Chasey. Because based off of how she sound on the phone, she couldn't even finish the conversation with me. The way as how she break down and me hear like some people in the background talk about care and all these things. So I don't know how I really go on with her. So based off of how she live close by, so me I drive go out there, go check in to see what really I go on with Chasey in the morning. So I want to stick around to the end of the video, see? Because me say me have to go give her a link, Because honestly, guys, she never expect the video either blow up so much. That's everywhere we turn on social media where I see the video. She has said to me, say, Conroy, everywhere she turn, she has see the video. People are call her, all type of things. So I just want to go check in with her, guys, and see how she are doing. I don't know if she there home right now, but when we talk to her, she did there home. See? But stick around to the end of the video, alright? So guys, me reach out to Chasey now. I don't know if she want to go on the camera, but me I go check in with her and see what she are going with. Alright?
So guys, me there with Chasey. And she alright, cause this morning me call her and she did kinda cry. So me make sure me come look for her. So Chasey, me know a whole heap of person call your phone. And easy cause video go viral. Me don't know if you did expect so much person, if you see the video and reach out to you and everything, you see me? But I'm glad to see you do a Chasey and know say you're alright. See, just go and hold the faith here. Gotta go work it out. You're one good mother. I see one whole heap of person comment and say, trust me, if you're a single mother, do what you do to make your daughter reach to that level there, it really a blessings, Because you do your part in a Chasey. That's one of the greatest things. She can't say as a mother, you never do nothing for her. I see a whole heap of kids come out and say, boy, them mother no send them go school or them father no do nothing for them. But I rate what you do here. Just keep it up, Chasey. And as I say, I go always come link you and make sure say everything alright. So when I see it, guys, I know Chasey personal. See? So when you hear me, I tell you that she's a good mother. See? Chasey, I see her. Take care of yourself, here. Bless.
Oh, okay. I'm very happy that she was able to find friendship and find community and people that are willing to rally around her in this time. And hopefully this can be a teachable tale for, families out there that when you have kids, you can't expect, say, them are going to be your insurance policy, that they're going to be your friend, because they're going to go out and venture on to feed them own thing and start for them own life with for them own circle. And it can appear that they have abandoned you, neglected you, and you're going to have that empty space that you're going to want to fit. Because I have experienced stuff like that, and I've realized that sometimes when your parents them act up particular ways, and I miss them, sometimes I miss them, and them just start to get fatiguing and start to pick at things. And because imagine you are raised a child, and you raise a child for most about 18-20 years of your life. Worse if you're a single parent, and your entire life has revolved around that child. And when that child gone, migrate or do other things, and you're just left there without a purpose, wondering what to do next, that sort of closeness, that sort of bond, it gone. And so, me can understand how mentally you can end up be disturbed, especially when you're looking upon things and I say, boy, me can't even get a call. That is understandable. But we also have to be very clear with the relationships that we have with our kids, because sometimes a lot of Caribbean folk focus on the parenting and dictatorship and forget say after that child turns 18, it's that friendship and that genuine authentic bond that you're going to have to rely upon for keep them coming around and keep them wanting to talk to you and being in your life. And so if you're still hovering and being a dictator and kind of being like a me run things and this way me say, you're going to find that your children do not want to have a relationship with you. They're not going to want to be around you, because that sort of energy will push them away. So burritos, let me know what you think of this entire situation. Are you feeling it for the mother? Can you relate? And what do you make of the daughter? If these allegations are true, sound off below. All right, burritos, this is it for another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Make sure say you do the do, make sure that you do the do and you like, you share, you comment on all of these things. Take care until next time.